Hello, Fashionistas. Happy brand new month to each and every one of you, wherever you are watching from across the world. Welcome to the month of March. May you march into abundance. May you march into success, glory, and every other thing in between. And this month also coincides to be the holy month of Ramadan for the Muslims. And in less than 48 hours or thereabouts, we shall also be entering into Lent for the Christians. It's a kind of double, triple celebration for everyone. And my prayer for you is that may this month bring forth all your heart's desires. You know what we do here on Fashion World? We showcase the best of African fashion, and regardless of the season period, we are always here for you to inspire you with the best of African print wax, and that is what you are getting to see on your screen as they are rolling by right about now. We've come through with another lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, fascinating, truly captivating styles for you. And the styles in today's video are meticulously selected for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got you covered in this very video. We are doubling down on what we did last month, and we are continuing in that pedestal by showcasing to you the latest, the very best that you can get anywhere on the top of African fashion. And in no particular order of styles, we've got varieties of styles for you in this very video. As they say, variety is the spice of life, and we are doing that here to give you enormous choice to choose from this abundance of styles we've come through for you today. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this very video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. And all props and credit in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful, highly talented fashion designers in whom we always dedicate our videos to, because without the efforts of these geniuses, there is no way, there is absolutely nothing we can be showcasing to you on this platform. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. Hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime a lovely video like this is uploaded on this platform. And share this video if and don't let this be for your eyes alone. Let us spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world, and give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely and terrific month of March. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
flame. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low, wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. I wanna go down, stay.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.